Making a simple electromagnet is a straightforward process and can be done using common materials. Here's a step-by-step guide. Materials needed. 1. Copper wire, enamel-coated wire, preferably 22 to 26 gauge. 2. Iron core, a large iron nail. Prepare the iron core. Take the iron nail or metal rod. This will serve as the core for your electromagnet. Wrap the copper wire. Start at one end of the iron core. Begin wrapping the copper wire tightly around the iron nail in a circular manner. Try to make the coils as close together as possible without overlapping. Continue wrapping the wire around the nail for at least 20 to 50 times. The more coils you make, the stronger the electromagnet will be. Leave a few inches of wire free at both. Connect to power source. Attach one end of the stripped wire to the positive terminal of your battery. Attach the other end of the stripped wire to the negative terminal of the battery. Once the circuit is complete, the iron core should become magnetized, and you should be able to pick up small metallic objects like paper clips. Disconnect the wire from the battery when you no longer need the electromagnet to prevent overheating. Increase the number of coils or the voltage of the battery to enhance the magnet's strength. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share the video.